It has been an honor to be here as chief guest at this incredible combat kickboxing event. First, I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards the organizers to conduct such fruitful event which don't promote only just a physical fitness but also encourage the confidence of these young champions. We as Bhutani Cares always promise that we are there always with the society. Wherever there is a need, we will be there. I also want to once again congratulate to all the parents who always supported their kids to follow their dreams and bring glory to the country. Thank you so much. And once at the last, from entire Bhutani family, I would like to thanks to giving us such nice opportunity. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.